One of the first steps in collecting data at enterprise is to create so-called integrated database, for example, database spreadsheet with information common to several production processes. The basis of such information is the data on the machines, equipment and devices available at the enterprise, which are important for calculating fixed cost. In this video, we will show you how to fill in the generate table of the machines and device database to calculate fixed cost. The source of data for filling in this table will be your own farm inspection, 10 monthly statistical reporting data, primary documentation for fixed assets accounting. The necessary element of this database of machine and device are the name of the vehicle, serial number, year of manufacture and engine brand. Let's try to fill in this table by analyzing the source of this filling. The first and second columns are the name of equipment and the power data in kilowatt and horsepower. The data to fill them in are taken from the passport of the technical means. If you do not have access to the original technical passport or registration certificate, you should use another external source from which you can obtain the necessary data, name, technical characteristic and other. Acquisition costs in column 3 are filled in according to the primary documentation for accounting for fixed assets. This may be an agreement with the supplier, an act of acceptation transfer of fixed assets. Information on the term of use is filled in based on the data of patches of the technical means indication in the primary documents, taking into account the standard term of use of the equipment according to the passport of the technical means or based on the standard specified by the tax code article 138.3.3. The inventory card of the assets may also serve as a source of information. The annual amount of depreciation is determined by dividing the depreciable value by the useful life of the fixed assets. In terms, the depreciable cost is the original or revalued cost less the residual value. This data is filled in automatically by dividing the data in column 3 by the data in column 4. As the annual expenses, the information is filled in based on the result of the accountant's survey. This may be the cost of storing, placing the vehicle at other people's sites or in rented or specially constructed hangars or garages. Perhaps the equipment needs to be transported from place to place on trailer or trolleys. The insurance premium should also be taken into account, because all equipment must be insured every year. The rate of interest to be paid in case of insurance of the equipment is filled in based on the result of the accountant's survey. The insurance cost and total annual fixed cost as well as depreciation are filled in automatically in the spreadsheet based on the result of the calculation according to the formulas provided. The formulas should be entered in the appropriate cells of the spreadsheet.